Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Gonna do some test scenes with my straitjacket attached to this plastic mannequin. Alright, this is the back of the straitjacket, and of course I've attached it to the mannequin. For these shots I do not need an actor, but I do need to simulate some bit of arms for these close-up and fairly close-up shots, and to do so, what I have done, welcome to the world of experimental filmmaking and low budget. I'm using some soda bottles, 1.5 soda bottles, that I attach and insert inside the arms right here to go all the way down to the fingertips, which will be down here. Alright? Okay, so I'm going to be making these test shots for my experimental horror film SIJ. It's all about choice. And using the lens Jupiter 11 135mm f4. Okay, so I've got the prop set up here to a window outside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start the test shots. And I need to control it with things like this, moving it around a bit. Okay, and that type of thing. And the way I'm accomplishing is that a straitjacket has a crotch strap like this, and I'm using the Jupiter 11 135 f.4, so I'm going to be standing about 7.5 feet away, and I'm just simply going to pull this left to right, forward, stuff like that. Alright, let me show you more of that. Alright, so here's the crotch strap on a straitjacket. This is a real straitjacket. I used to use it back when I was a magician in my 20s and 30s. Can't get out of it anymore unless I really hurt myself. Ha! I'm an old man now. So what I'm going to do is I just simply pull this whichever way I want it to create the scene of movement. This way I don't need an actor. I can simply pay them and use them for what I need them for. Okay, so as you can see, I'm standing about 7.5 feet away. I'm using the crotch strap here on the straitjacket, and to manipulate the scene of movement, I would just simply pull it forward, left, or right. Okay, I've got the soda bottles in the arms, everything set up on the mannequin with the straitjacket, and this way I do not have to pay an actor for something so trivial. Alright, and there I go, just like that. Let me show you what it looked like through the viewfinder. Okay, via the viewfinder about 7 feet, it's going to look like this. And I can just simply do whatever I want right there with that crotch strap, make any type of movement as fast or slow as I want. So, how to make it more surreal and colorful? Let me show you what I'm using. Okay, the lenses I'm using that I just simply hold over the lens on my Bolex are Ophthalmic Lenses, and I put out a video quite a long time ago. I'll drop that link within the comment section of this video if you're interested to learn more. But simply what I do is I hold it over the lens. They create a very surrealistic look. And here's the yellow. And as you can see, if you're looking for experimental filmmaking, you can turn it around. That is the type of look. I'll put a little movement like I would generally do, since I prefer the traditional type of experimental filmmaking from the early masters. And there you are. Alright, let me show you some of the other different colors. Okay everyone, here is the blue lens. So I simply hold it up over my Bolex, and there you have it. Again, move it around, get whatever look that I want with the traditional experimental filmmaking. And when I'm filmmaking, I prefer to use mostly one hand and film this way. I like all the movement and the shakiness and that type of thing of traditional experimental filmmaking. And if you're interested in knowing those artists, again, the late great artists, I can drop those names in the link, or actually you can just contact me. Alright? Do contact me via Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for parts, servicing, and questions. The same email, bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com. Do click that bell down there and subscribe. And for gory experimental horror films, do visit the Morbid Team Entertainment FB page. Alright? Until next time, see ya.